David here. Today I'm going to answer the question of why should I replace my old phone system. There are a lot of reasons, but the first and most obvious is it's obsolete. If it breaks, if it has a failure, which is a common occurrence when there's a storm or a big power surge, you could be down for days. Can your business be down for days without a phone system? You're going to be surprised, but the cost of these new systems is often a lot less than you even think. In some cases, it's actually less than what you're spending right now. A lot of people don't realize, oh, I have an old phone system. It's great. It doesn't cost me anything. Well, that's not really true. You have to pay for your telephone lines. That's a cost. You have long distance, although it's not a huge cost, it is a cost. Definitely you have service anytime there's a problem or some type of maintenance contract. And most of those systems have software, an annual software cost. So there are a lot of costs.